Hey, good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. Got the manual, rear entry, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It has a handle on either side. These clamps, they keep the ramps from rattling. They're a great design. You see, I can flip them up, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. 34-inch wide ramp, that's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so wider ramp for bigger chairs if you want to look at this rear entry. If someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out of the vehicle in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we do sell full size, we even do some trucks and SUVs. If you don't see it on our website, give me a call, I can find it, or we might even have it getting ready for show right now. So this has the deep cut, which you can hold 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. One thing about these Chryslers, the channel is about 1 foot deeper than both the Dodge and the Toyota. So if you're looking for extra room to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time, or that gurney, this might be the answer for you. Got the 8 tie down points, so again, you can get 2 wheelchairs down. We have upgraded Q strengths. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. A lot of our competition is going to charge you $700 or $800 to upgrade to these. We throw them in at no charge to you. So as we come around, super cool feature these vans have, this van has, is a flip base seating. So I wanted to show you, the seats are in great condition back here before I flip them up. And to get them flipped up, what we do is put up the armrest here. I'm going to fold it down, and they'll move quick. So keep an eye on that. And we pull the lever here forward and pull the base of the seat towards us. It does take me 2 hands to get it started, but once I get it started, it flips right up just like so. And in a matter of seconds, you can have the seats flipped up out of the way, get the full channel if you need it. Got your Q-strength tie downs and warranty instructions there. Got cup holders for the people in the rear. Got your cup holders up front. Plug-ins for all your electronics, dual climate control, rear air, large touch screen there with a huge backup camera. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. We got our lane departure warning. We got our auto start stop. A lot of great safety features on this van. And can even operate all the power doors up here at the top center console as well. Now, yeah, those safety features, the lane departure, the stop assist. You know, you have a company, you have a family member that's driving this vehicle. Yeah, they cost a couple extra $1,000. But compare that to somebody getting injured or hurt or an accident for your business, I think it's well worth the investment. So we can get everybody secure. Come back out, shut her down, and just reverse the process, and you're ready for your next adventure. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, a lot of our competition is going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you no warranty. Some 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some 3 years, 36,000 miles. Compare that to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty, and you tell me who has the best built conversion. Pretty simple answer, isn't it? Now, as I do a walk around of this van, it's got nearly new tires on it. All at least 9 seconds on there, 9 to 10. So almost brand new tires on this van. Tires won't be an issue. And you know, I'm looking for a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but I'm having a hard time finding any blemishes. It's very well taken care of, and if I see, I'll point them out to you. And you hear me talk a lot about, say, $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it, there's no magic to it. It's low overhead. I've got one location right here in the middle of the country. Being in the middle of the country allows me to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, saving you money. And with our one location, we have very low overhead. I want you to compare that to one of our competition with 10, 20, 50, 100 locations. Imagine how much overhead they have every month. Imagine how many salaries they have to pay, and you compare it to our one location. We're very productive. We trim off all the fat of waste, and we work hard every day. I'm the owner of the company out here, working blue collar like many of you. So that's how we do it. So we save you $5 to $10 grand. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. And what I mean by that, on Facebook Marketplace, if the Facebook Marketplace is the dirtiest place to buy a vehicle, folks. Where they're taking our pictures, they're cutting out our sign up there, and they're selling a van like this. They'll say $15,000. Nobody's selling these vans for 15 grand. But what they're trying to get you to do is send them a deposit to hold the van. Once you do, you'll never hear from them again. So tell them to send a video of the VIN number with their name. So my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and this van's right here with me. They couldn't do that because they're scammers. Make sure you get a video of that van, no matter of that VIN number, no matter who you buy from. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles before we buy it, you can see one owner, no accidents or damage, regularly serviced, last owned as a rental vehicle in nice salt rust-free Florida. Now, some people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree. If it's a sports car, probably means it's been driven pretty hard. I don't think too many people rent a minivan to go out and hot rod it. I think it means highway miles, and that's a good thing. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, no open recalls, and does show the vehicle went into service March 19th of 2021. So it meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler until March 19th, 2026, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay. 1,558 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I'd say that's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You can see right here in Wichita, Kansas, we are real. We are the real deal. If I hear a lot of horror stories out there of people that bought from the general public, you know, private individuals they knew nothing about. They end up buying from these dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up with a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people out there selling stolen vehicles. So people are selling rental vehicles. It's a dirty business. Or they end up with a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues. So hey, if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star experiences, you go ahead and deal with those low-end dealers and those general public. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Another great feature about this van, it's got the remote start. So you hit the button there twice, it'll beep at you, fire right up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or you want to come out to a nice heated seats and have that heated steering wheel ready to go, you've got that option. Now we do have one key fob with the van. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime, we can sure do so. Inside the van, it's got the power driver's seat, black leather interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Just a little layout of the back there for those of you that aren't real familiar with these vans. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. Oh, I skipped a step. I got my push button start. I like that about these vans. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to dig it out. Just hop in, put your foot on the brake, turn it on, you're ready to go. You can see 34,534 miles on it. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those working right here. Another great safety feature about this van, you'll probably see it on our test drive, but the little triangle right there, that's to let someone know that you know someone's in your blind spot. So that'll illuminate like a yellow, like an orange. So keep an eye out for that, but another great safety feature. And we've had our mechanics check all the, like I said, windows, locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. We've taken them on a road test, checked the tires. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like a lot of dealers do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and I hope you can tell by our videos, if nothing else, we are thorough. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, from being up in the rust belt, or rust or water damage, from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's only got 34,000 miles on it, they assume it's never been in a bad accident. They assume it's never been in a flood, and they assume it runs and drives good. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer, but I want you to ask yourself, do they show their reputation online so you know you're buying from someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? So you can see there's no damage from an accident underneath here. There's no signs of water damage from a flood. And do they get up on top of the roof and take pictures and video of the roof so you can see there's no damage up there? You have no idea how many vehicles I see at auction. They got a bunch of hail damage on the roof. Or they have holes drilled in to the roof where someone's put a taxi sign before and it's not repaired because nobody looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. And I come up on this overpass over here, climb up on top of it, I take pictures of the roof. We let you know exactly what you're getting. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Now tell me what happens if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. Or what happens if you buy a van that's got frame damage from a flood or an accident and it won't pass inspection in your state. In both those cases, and in many more, you just bought a van you can't get titled. If you can't title it, you can't drive it. You just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid those issues and so many more, do at least 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. You're not buying a pair of shoes off eBay. This is a very big purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I pay the extra because Carfax is the most in-depth VIN research, VIN inspection that there is. So I demand the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. We talked about this a little bit. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. I mentioned the van still meets the specs to be under the full Chrysler factory powertrain warranty, and also has the conversion warranty as well. Crawling up here to show you the roof. You need to check the roof. You need to see what's going on up here. Everything looks good. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. All right, to get pictures of the roof, I park the vans right down there. I climb up on that little overpass right there. I get pictures of the roof. But what I like to do is get these vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, if you come in and drive this Chrysler home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, popped up to 65 miles an hour, no problem. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Like I mentioned, has the lane departure warning, so if I start to drift out of my lane, it'll beep at me to let me know what's going on. It's got our blind spot monitors as well, so a lot of great safety features on this van. I do keep in mind the van meets the specs to be under the full factory warranty from Chrysler, and we do sell long-term extended warranties that are factory type. They go all the way up to 8 years, and they have shorter-term ones for sale as well. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. That beep let me know that transit was in my blind spot over there, if you heard that. So I'm obviously way in front of it, but great safety feature to have. So, but my point is, if someone's not being honest and upfront about all the fees, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a call or a text message, and to shoot you straight, text message is the quickest way to get a hold of us. These phones go pretty crazy. But shoot us a text or even a call. Let us know what you're interested in. We can shoot you a call when we have a moment. But 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. I've given you a direct line to reach out to me. Okay, the radio works. Didn't mean to blow you out of there, but I want to show you even the radio works. We test that as well. So I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. Or do you get to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Pacifica whether you buy it or not. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, give us a text, give us a call. We'll set up a way to take an application over the phone with you. We do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Call, text us. I can explain how that works. And if you would like to come in to see our inventory, we'd love to spend some time with you, but you must make an appointment. We stay super busy. I don't want to waste your time. I know your time is valuable, so make that appointment with us. we'll set up a time with you, get all your questions answered, let you look at whatever you need to. And I know if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but again, I know it's a major purchase. I try to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today. That was me getting out of the lane there a little bit, so it's always let me know someone is my blind spot. So just so you know what those beeps are, the great safety features, and you can turn them off if you don't like them. But anyways, thanks for checking us out. Have a wonderful day.